Okay, here we go. Back to fractions. Oh my goodness, time out.
You're gonna win, Mr. Sadler. I may just walk past and do you like a big green
Nice wave like at the door like this is okay, but come on into the class.
You're not staying.
Okay, so what you do for this, for the common denominators, you guys have heard that word, I'm sure, lots up until this point, up in grade 6, 7, 8, right? I don't know when you do adding fractions, grade 8 for sure. But we'll go through it right now if you can't remember how to do it. So, the main idea for this, so here's example A. I'll show you the way that I do it. We're going to go 1/2 plus 2/3. I'll go through the first run and then you guys can help me out afterwards, okay? So what we're going to do for this is you're going to multiply the denominators. So we're going to go 2 times 3 here. So what I did is here on this side I multiplied everything by 3. And on this side I multiplied by 2. Now are we sort of good so far? So we just multiplied, transferred 2 denominators together to get 6. Okay? So what we do as well, if you multiply the bottom by 6, you have to multiply the top by 6. So we're doing 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. So basically like we're doing the opposite of bringing the lowest terms. That's basically what we're doing. Go ahead, just the opposite. Yeah.
So we're just trying to make the two numbers add up to the same number?
Yeah. So again, it's the opposite of going to common denominator, to going to the lowest terms, right? We want the biggest terms. Then once we have that, the 6's stay the same. Then we go 3 plus 4 is 7. Let's talk that through to make sure, because this is always the trickiest part of grade 8 for a lot of kids. Is that fair to say? This is what do you think?
Yeah.
This is probably one of the trickiest things in grade 8. And we'll go through this. You guys have been awesome with fractions, wonderful at integers. That math's pretty good. Okay? But we've got to make sure we get this down to this or last thing of the unit. Okay? So what we did is, let's talk through again. 2 times 3, bop times bop is 6. You multiplied this side by 3, so the top also needs to be multiplied by 3. You multiplied the bottom by 2, so the top also needs to get multiplied by 2, and then 3 plus 4 is 7. The denominator stays at 6. Okay? Sounds pretty good? This is more clear to you? Okay. I want to make sure. Not clear for anybody? Which clear when it's not back? I'm using you, wasn't it? Yeah, I think we're back. I think we're all everyone's section. Okay, let's try letter B. I'm going to give you guys, we'll do this one as a class and let you guys try one for me. Letter B says, 1/4 plus 2/3. Okay. Take this through nice slow because I want to make sure everyone understands this. We're going to do lots of examples today because I want you guys to be pros and fractions. Aaron, I want you to be brave.
7.
What is my common denominator going to be? It is 12. How'd you get 12? Yeah. So all wonderful. So all we have to do here, right, was just do this times this, and that got you 12. Okay? All right, Emma. On the left-hand side, this is a little bit tricky, so I want to make sure this is good. What do we multiply the left-hand side by? This. So this gets times by 3. Very good. On the right-hand side, what does this multiply by?
4.
So that's the trickiest part, I think, right? Because more is not fair to say. That's probably the trickiest part here. I don't know if it is or not.
Yeah, and a common mistake is that students will multiply the denominators and forget numerators for some reason.
But remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top as well. Okay, so we multiplied the bottom here. 4 times 3 gave us 12. Some are not done. 1 times 3 equals. And the same thing on the right-hand side. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is? Good. All right, Alan, it's your time to shine. 3 over 12 plus 8 over 12 is?
9 over 12.
That gives you the...
11 over 12.
11 over 12, very good. We're going to do lots of examples. Stay until we get good at this, okay? Oh, no, it's not too bad. Once you guys get used to it, I mean, fractions aren't bad, but everything is just getting comfortable with them. Okay, all the math we do in this course isn't meant to hurt your head, or maybe a little bit, But you just gotta get enough practice to feel confident in it. Okay, that's all this math is in this course. Whereas the fraction would be it's the same thing, only difference is 73 plus 8 is 2. Please be brave and ask the question. Are we feeling sort of good? So once you guys try this one on your own, then we'll take it up together as a class, okay? Ready? Okay, I'm going to hit pause in the video, give you about a minute to try this out, okay? I want you to try your best. If you're not sure, raise your hand. We have 4 helpers here today. Just given how your fraction skills. Yeah?
They're okay.
Okay. First, let me pause on this, give you guys a second to try it out. Now, close it up. Okay. Caleb, what is my common denominator and how'd you figure it out, please? How'd you get 10?
2 times 5 is good.
I will sneeze there. Okay. I'm going to sneeze here in a second. All right. Adam, what do we multiply the left-hand side by? So this over here gets multiplied to here. What do you multiply this by? You good? So whenever you do the top, we numerator to the denominator. All right, Emily. 3 times 2 is?
6.
Good. And 1 times 5 is? Awesome. Sorry, Quinn. 6 over 10 plus 5 over 10 is? 11 over 10. Awesome. Okay. Everyone close your eyes, put their heads in your desk momentarily, please. Okay, raise your hand if you're feeling really good about fractions adding. Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand if you're feeling okay, but they used a little more work. Raise your hand if you're feeling hideous about fractions. Okay.
Your hand if you didn't raise your hand.
No, it's okay. That's all right. I know who can raise their hand. Okay, heads up, please. Okay. Let's try some more of these, okay, guys? Now, again, this isn't. That's my angle up. Did you see that? I crank it up a little bit, difficulty a little bit for people. Too much difficulty, you can handle that. So if you say you can't, what's the first step that we do on this? Go ahead. Yeah, so you want to turn it into an improper fraction, right? So get rid of the whole number first, okay? So change it to, actually Dylan, you can start me off here, okay? Dylan, what's the first step? Go ahead.
You know, the 1 plus 3 together.
1 times 3 is 3.
And then you put the 2.
So it's going to be 5 over 3. Alright, then,
Yeah.
1 3/4. What did we do for that one, please?
No idea.
I don't want to yell. So what we're going to do, I'll help you out here. So what we're going to do here is 4 times 1, right?
Yeah.
Is 4, and then plus 3 is going to be 7.
Yeah.
So just look over here, right? 3 times 1,
Okay.
and then plus 2. 4 times 1, and then plus 3, so it's going to be 7 over 4.
Got it.
I'm going to pause the video, and we're going to try this one out, okay? And I'm going to go over and help somebody that is my favorite student in the class. Okay, so listen up here, folks. Listen up, please. Guys, listen up, please. All right, Aiden. What is my common denominator here, please?
12.
How'd you get 12?
I did 3 times 4.
Very good. All right, Sophia, you ready?
Oh, she's
Sophie's
fine.
gone. Oh. Ah, shoot. That's not right. I'm sorry. Kaden, I forgot your name there. Sorry about that. Okay, on the left-hand side, what do we multiply by on the left-hand side? Good. On the right-hand side, we multiply by? Very good. Oh, it's okay. That's good. I won't call me too much today. Okay.
Hey, you got
No, he hasn't already lost his voice.
Oh.
You can't talk that loud.
Fancy.
All right, Liam. Can I stay with here, please? Stay with here, please. Liam, 5 times 4 is? $20, good. Trent, 7 times 3 is? Very good. And to finish us off here, Kevin, 20 over 12 plus 21 over 12 is?
41.
Okay. Are you guys ready for me to let you guys work on your own, or do you want another example? You guys ready to try on your own? Okay. Now, one more, you say? We're good? Okay, you guys can work on your own. I'm going to give you guys a little worksheet to work on right now. You can work with a partner. If you and your partner are stuck, we have 4 awesome helpers today to help. Okay, which is wonderful. If you're good with your partner, that's fine too. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think we have enough for another partner. That's nice. Yeah, here, I think. 2, 4, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah, we have 16. Okay, get into a group of 2, please.